Multiple answer questions allow players to tap on more than one correct answer. To create a multiple answer question as part of your TinyTap game, first design your slide. You can pick a theme and layout from the Creation Packs menu. In this demo, we want to create a question where the player needs to find all of the green frogs in the pond. We're adding frogs in different colors to test for comprehension. In order to answer the question, the player will need to select all of the correct answers. When your design is complete, tap on Set Activity and choose Create a Soundboard. Trace all of the correct answers. You can add an audio to accompany each hotspot. If you'd like to leave the recording empty, simply double-tap the Record button. When you've traced all of the answers, tap the Settings icon and record your question. Can you find all of the green frogs? Tap Done and play to see your multiple answer question. Can you find all of the green frogs?